Alright guys, in this video I want to show you a quick case study for Dr. Ken Phillips and his wife Jane Phillips, who actually runs the show. I've been working with them for several years now, and we've actually grown their practice so well that they were able to sell it recently for a lot more than I think they were expecting. So that's one of the perks of having a steady influx of cash and new patients, and targeted online marketing is the best way to do that, other than referrals. So what I want to quickly do is I want to show you their quick analytics. You can just see that we're just comparing last month from a couple years ago, same month, same time period, but they're up 71%, 53%, and 54% in traffic, so lots of good traffic spikes. But I think what everyone cares about is results. Let's look at their form submissions quickly. I just want to see what 2018, so a full year, looks like. I'm not even sure if we had this website up in that time frame. Let's take a look. Yeah, there you go. So we launched this website in probably February. So 354 new people inquiring just from the form submission, so that's probably closer to 420 or so if you factor in what they got in January and February. And then also you got to think about phone calls. So these are just people emailing. I think I have the numbers somewhere here, but they get about 760, so 354 form submissions, and it looks like they got about 760 phone calls. So downtown Vancouver people would prefer to call than email. So tons of leads. They're growing their business by 70 new patients every month, most of which are coming from online marketing. Let's take a look at the actual results from a ranking point of view. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my aggregate chart to start. We can close that. Oops. And what I'm going to do with the aggregate rankings here is I want to just look all time. So I want to see where we started and where we're at now. So if we go all the way down to the bottom here, you can see when we took on their account back in late 2014, they had 2 number 1 rankings and 2 rankings that were number 2 to 5, and not too many at the bottom of page 1. So that's where we started, and then you can see we slowly started climbing up the ranks here. About a year later, they had 13 on page 1, and then a couple years later, they have 20 to 21 on spot number 1, and then if you go all the way up to the top where we are right now, you can see that they have 46 number 1, so 46 keywords that rank number 1 on Google. They have another 50 keywords that rank in spots 2 to 5. Now, of course, not every keyword is great. We want to focus on keywords that have the highest volume or that are the most relevant for the business. For Royal Centre Dental Group, the things like Emergency Dentist Vancouver. So 260 people, ranking number 1. Dentist, Downtown Vancouver, 390 people searching, ranking number 2. They rank, for Dentist Vancouver, 2,900 people searching for this. They rank number 3. So if we just take a look at what a screenshot looks like, this is the absolute most competitive keyword in all of Vancouver. Everyone's fighting for it. And check this out. They are ranking number 3. And one of the main reasons they rank so well here is because they have 292 reviews, and that is something we have also helped them with. So if we look at the tracker chart, get out of here. Let's see how we started. So Dentist Vancouver, most competitive keyword, gets them a ton of business every year. Dentist Vancouver, if we look all time, you can see when this loads, we'll get out of some of these other things here. But when they started ranking, 33, not ranking in the maps. I don't know what I just did there. Reset zoom. Here we go. As you can see, all the way up to spot number 2 now. So imagine what that would do for your business if you were able to rank at the very top of Google for the most competitive keywords. Of course, that's the trick, right? Is it's getting to the top for the keywords that people are searching for. That's all I really want to show you in this one. You're seeing lots of form submissions. We have call tracking and another software we're using that I can't show you, but they got about 750 phone calls from the website, and we're seeing some really great improvements in the ranking. So if you're looking to grow your business with online marketing, specifically if you're a dentist or a healthcare professional, this is just another standard case for us. The cool thing about our company is we're really results driven. You could actually go through a ranking report for any of our customers, and they're going to rank #1 for all of the most competitive and the highest volume keywords. So if you're interested in growing your business, I'd love to show you what your ranking report looks like, and I'd love to have a chat. So book a free 60-minute growth consultation with me, or send me an email. So that's all for this video, and we look forward to chatting soon.